Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting required documents so your application won't be delayed. Once done, open the Uhbvn portal or visit the local office and fill the prescribed application form. Ensure you enter load in KW and supply accurate contact details. Make sure to attach the site plan, proof of ownership or occupancy, ID proofs like Aadhaar and PAN, and 2 passport photos. Doing this correctly speeds validation and avoids back and forth that stalls approval. After submission, you pay the inspection and processing fees and schedule a site visit. This step verifies feasibility and transformer capacity near your premises. During inspection, the team checks meter location, earthing provision, and load distribution, so have your single-line diagram and load calculations ready. Once the report is positive, the team issues an estimate for connection charges and security deposit. You pay these to trigger work. Make sure to follow up. Delays often occur when documents or payments are incomplete. When you accept the estimate and pay the required charges, the distribution team schedules wiring checks and meter installation. You should be present to coordinate meter placement and ensure earthing is correct. Once installation is complete, a final inspection and meter testing occur. Make sure to obtain the test report and the no objection certificate. If something fails, tripped meter, missing earthing, ask for a retest and check wiring against the single-line diagram. This one fix resolves most post-installation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.